Yeah. So I have a pack full, like with me, that, so that if pack me too hard, people can get full of pack. Good job, Lisa. You still got those skills, baby. I swear it's so much of it's instinct. Because you can watch people that like, just struggle and struggle and struggle and struggle, and then people that have instinct just look, look, look. I was top out of that. Don't tell him that. No, I won't. That head will look funny.
That's slippery. Here, this way. Here, sand. We usually come up.
Always shopping at chalk print.
You say there. You can there? I actually going to wait for. I'm gonna go this way too. Because I come. That is slippery. This is what? I mean, to the right is easier.
If you want to come a little bit easier way, that's, well, you can see what it is.
Yeah.
This was just stepping down.
Yeah.
With,
This way's easier, coming down here, but it's not slippery, it's just you gotta watch your footing coming down.
Okay.
This way's a little bit more technical, challenging.
Thursday. I rode yesterday, but I went Thursday.
Your poison.
You put it on us, and it held, so I was like, but I still got the brace on. And I probably will wear it for 3 months. They told me.
You got it, you got it.
You got the brace for 3 months.
Yeah. Because you know, you'll be fine.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah. Oh, committed.
Just let's go to my house.
Okay. Do you mind spotting?
Wow.
Yes.
And when we just
Oh yeah. Something I've done.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she said, oh, just take it in. I said,
Well, I know Yoko is like,
if you've got an into, well,
All right. So I went up and I said, Lisa,
yeah, well, do it.
it's easier for you,
Do it.
right?
That's what I'm saying.
You don't believe me? It's easy. It's like straight road. Look at here. I'm right here.
And then let's see what happens, people.
Oh yeah. Like this, right next to that.
Yeah, I want to do that.
yeah, those plastic things.
Natalie.
Oh, great, okay.
Oh, thank you for the spot. You gonna go?
You go.
If you want to sit down more here, it's easier that you, or you put leg rest.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one leg over here.
You're going that way?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, you can go down this way too.
There's a butthole right there.
I went this way.
What's that?
Yes, good.
Like, or you can go off the end, but I can't.
Yeah, this is short.
You made a very good video.
I probably wouldn't
Slippery?
make that.
There. If you put your, there you go. I think you're,
Yeah, it's better move. Or you come down and
That's a little bit of a stick or two.
yeah, you're doing it.
There we go. Come on,
No problem coming down there?
Does it listen?
Okay, who else is coming down? Oh.
Okay. Yeah, Mo can do this in 3 steps.
I know. I went on this one.
Did you like this?
Ready?
Well, the thing with that one is that it was short legs.
Oh, my spine.
And then let's walk farther with your hands. So I did a good job. No,
That's much tougher.
I thought this was the easy way. What's happening? Right idea. You want to come down the hall? Okay.
Yeah.
We're right here. Back. You can come right down this way. Oh, sorry. I'll get out of your way.
Lisa, the other way is. Oh, yeah.
There you go.
That's it, yeah. And then just hang on, come backwards.
There you go. Yeah. Thank you. Well, good job.
A little
Good
bit
job.
further down is a good ledge.
Ooh. Yeah. Keep coming. Keep coming. A little bit further.
A little bit.
Yeah, right there. There you go.
Right there.
Got it.
And then you're an inch. There you go.
Down here.
Where's another ledge behind you?
There we go. Oh yeah, this was better. You'll probably be better than me.
It's 10:45, we're gonna have to start running.
All right.
10:45.
Now keep on coming down, and you've got a foothold on your right. It's kind of behind here. I can guide your foot. There. Whoa.
that
Okay,
works.
you can. All right.
That works, girl.
All right. You've got another ledge. Take a breath.
There you go.
There you go.
You're perfect. You're good.
Nice.
Okay. Oh, you?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. That's me committing. 10:45. We gotta go. We gotta go. Thank you. My brow. It was easy.
Yeah.
Well, when I saw you, you were having trouble reaching. I'm like, okay, bye. Bye.
I got a little sketch down there for a second.
It looks like a rainbow.
What does?
It was just
Where's the
tiny, my
rainbow?
foot over there.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, stretching your foot over.
Coming down that little bit more. I'm the weaker one. I already. Third one. You did fine, so.
Yeah, you did that.
You know what? These guys, like, they just need to, like, destroy these companies and just use your phone to mount and shit. Like, you know, there's, like, so much of money we spend on these gadgets.
Yeah.
Like,
They're a little more durable on a phone. And they can,
no. These have, like, high definition footage, but your phones can do the same
your
thing.
phones, yeah, it's just as good.
Yeah, so I was like, I was thinking of, they need to, like, make these phones, like, much more smaller
Oh, I thought John said it's 10:45.
for, like,
Right.
make it more because I really don't care for a big screen
Any day
on
now.
my phone. I really don't care.
Taking so slow.
If you need to take calls,
Okay.
and nobody is taking calls like this anymore.
No.
Nobody is actually taking.
Headset or something.
Yeah, I do. I mean, too many decades of taking calls that way.
No, I'm saying like have a mix of both. Like create a telephone version of GoPro. I don't like.
I like seeing little infants' toys, the little push carts that have
geez,
things
this
on
is
it. and
great.
learn to walk. They still have an old time style handset as a telephone.
Oh, yeah?
They have a little dial too.
That's
They
fun.
haven't gotten rid of that.
The rotary dial?
The rotary dial,
cool.
yes.
Oh, yeah, this
You know, it's a sound I haven't heard in a long time.
That's,
My childhood. My mom.
yeah, me too.
Oh, yeah, right.
That I think my generation is the last. I think
Yeah.
because they started to come up with buttons,
Yeah, the, whatever, like
the dial, the.
right.
I think I was the last to go through.
I also use the.
Slide rule.
Oh, yeah.
section on that rock.
I'm following exactly what she's doing.
Someone came into my office one time and said, "I got an old one, you want it?"
Wow.
Sure. A couple of weeks later, he brought me this, and said, "No, here's the slide rule with the instructions." I said, "You don't need to tell me, you're just good enough, I don't need the instructions."
Yeah. I don't think I've ever used one.
This rock is slippery.
Slip to it.
It's actually slippery.
This is low.
It's a little slippery.
Watch your head.
The rock's a little slippery.
Yeah, it's slippery.
I think it's more than a little slip.
Yeah. What's my foot?
It's like I thought like I can do it with a single hand, but not.
Ooh,
Oh yeah,
it's low over here.
yeah. I'm down.
Annie Wilson here, she'd go up through this thing, this thing narrow.
Oops.
Oh, yeah. Up to that.
Yeah, she runs up through narrow stuff. Good place to bonk your head, yeah?
Yeah, right.
Fudge. That's crazy.
Until I stopped doing yoga. Joints can feel a difference.
It's a nice shot. I got a signal here.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's kind of warm here. I'll get to the.
Yeah, I think that's the way to go, so. Get up on the left. Okay, you can go.
You got it.
Good job. Good job.
Good job, Lisa.
You can go. Where did he go? To the right? Good job. You got stuck in that crack.
Can they come over? Are they coming over?
Yeah.
We don't have more stars. We didn't do it. You want to go? Where can we go? Take a breath.
Right there where you're at.
Good.
Come across.
Or you can go up and then come down, whatever's better for you.
Or all the way up.
So this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
I'm following.
Right now with no jacket. Thanks.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this stuff. Well, yeah. I like this one where I don't think I feel this excited. Quick, too. I'm going nowhere. And I'm tired. Here at least I know I'm getting somewhere. Still tired. Oh, I think I've been in this section here.
Seal has his one canyon. Yeah, I agree.
Okay, everybody up against the wall.
Against the wall or facing him?
This is it.
Oh, against the wall mean like facing him. Facing him or facing to the rock? They're following exactly what he's asking them to do. I was like, but it's English. It's English.
Oh, wait, we're closing?